Pineapple is usually eaten as a dessert. I invite you to try it in this salad as a starter or as a side dish with meat or fish. Here are the ingredients. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Cut the pineapple in quarters. Remove the hard part. Remove the skin. Slice it. Finely cut the shallot. Remove the mint leaves from their stem. Roughly cut them. Put in a mixing bowl the pineapple, the salt, the sugar, the shallot. Mix by squeezing so that all the flavors will be released. Add the mint. Briefly mix. The pineapple salad is ready. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.